Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dance Killer.
This is the Sabbath day. This is Blue Hole Seventh Day Adventist Church. They are paint you out. Kind of ready to carry it. Blue Hole Seventh Day Adventist Church. This is on the Sabbath day. Jesus come and find them, lock it up. See that? Cars. See there? See lock there? And Jesus come for prayers on the Sabbath. And at them people here say me a madman. And when we come to church for the Sabbath day, for prayers, me and my two sinner friend them. Nobody know their church. I got fuck you know. I make you know bad bumbo clock man and no fuck. I got embarrassed you no bumbo clock. I want to say me a madman. See me cause bumbo clock tonight in the churchyard. For the Sabbath day showing a bumbo clock bad man. We don't see no like the church. We see not to go. But bumbo clock see not to go. If we don't like the bumbo clock church on the Sabbath. When the bumbo clock see not them to go. Me have to go to Brownsall. So Brownsall Church witness Jesus coming in there this morning. Because one in a community lock. Fuck I will know. Big setup. On a bumbo clock. Yesterday, one person tells me I come to church today, and I'm Miss Gloria. A righteous woman who is never met Jesus. See the empty ass church, and we are still not can go in there. Big setup, we no get fuck. See one man there where them in a call madman, we are power with Jesus. Jetical. Him alone come with Jesus today in a bumbo class, we no get fuck. I roll this I go. Me I show this thing bumbo clock red. I show you say my bumbo clock Sabbath. Me a bumbo clock Jesus. Not pussy one fuck. Not church bumbo clock. Match up this pussy clock. Come on. We bad bumbo clock man. Show them a bumbo clock 666 on the back.
Now, I can't help to wonder and think that I'm self him call Jesus. Because he said Jesus come for worship. Right? But then again, it might be a talk about the spiritual presence, you see? And he make a valid point when he say the church should be open on the Sabbath, right? Because him saying can see it closed, Jesus come for worship. But then again, which day him call the Sabbath? Is it? Now when me look on the car, I see King Satan 666, Haile Selassie, Lord Jesus. I mean, it kind of confused me. You see me I say? But anyways, you see, this man I left the whole social media with a whole heap of things to think about right now. You see me I say? And that's why I make sure I bring it to you, my viewers. You see me? Is this man of an unsound mind and who this man worship? You know, which one of the gods in worship? You see? And that's the biggest question right now, you see? But anyways, you don't know anything Gary Dancehall Skilla I can bring to you hot on social media. If you have something to say, just let me know what you think. And as always, if you're new to my channel, just click the subscribe button. My name is Skilla, and this way just say Dancehall Skilla ENT. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Killer.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla. Tint.